Hello YouTube, today we are going to simply install these Husky Weatherbeater liners. They're floor liners or all-season floor mats on this F-150. This is 2020 F-150. So the first thing you want to do, obviously take them out, but should be pretty simple, but I wanted to get this video out there just to make sure that people don't make mistakes. One thing is, with the liners, the front ones, you want to make sure that the logo, so the Husky logo, always faces the door. So that's how you know that this is for the driver's side, because again, this is facing the left side, and then this one is facing the right side, which would be the passenger front door. This is the rear area. This is the one for the F-150s that are not equipped with the optional, of course it's locked, optional storage box. So there's no storage box here. So your first order of business obviously is to toss out these mats. But first we're going to start with the front. So driver's side, let's see, we're going to take the mats out. These are the old floor mats. They do have these points here, attachment points, you can see right there, and then another one right there. So you have to make sure you align that properly and do the same thing. It's like little buttons or snaps. So this is the driver's side. Toss that to the side there, and then we have the passenger side over there. But what we want to do is just move the seat all the way back. So in the furthest back position. There we go. And then grab our driver's side mat. Fit that right in. There we go. And then what you want to do is check to make sure that these snaps are aligned. So you're gonna wiggle that around and try to snap this in. So let's see, should be right on. All right, so that's the driver's side installed. You can see what I like about these is they have this little lip that goes over, and you can close the door. So right there, no issues with closing the door. And again, anything that you spill, there's a little bit of a lip there. This is curved, so it does stop most of those liquids and things like that from going out there and back on your carpet. There's that Contour X brand, or actually line of Husky liners, which I'm assuming are better, but I like these, so I ordered these. Again, I wanted to kind of show what this looks like. You can see it covers all the way in the back, and an important part is underneath these brake and gas pedals also. So that's the driver's side. All right, so for the passenger side, you're going to notice that there is a one little button here. So these actually come with an optional carpet screw. Looks like that. So you can actually screw this into the carpet and then attach the floor liner like a button, kind of like on the driver's side. Considering that the OEM doesn't really have that, I don't want to make a hole in the carpet, so I'm just going to leave it as is. But you have that option. Same thing here. you're gonna pull your seat all the way back. If you have the manual seat, obviously you're just gonna pull the little lever and then pull it all the way back, rearward position, and apply this the same way. So this kind of fits snugly, so I don't think it's gonna move. So you may not need that button snap thing, but if that's what you want to do, Husky's nice enough to provide that option for you to use that. So this fits pretty good. I mean, you can see it's got the slope here, and also the lip here coming out to the door sill, so for the liquids and stuff, and then it reaches out. You can see that's pretty good coverage right there. So you want to protect your truck, no matter if you have the vinyl flooring or the carpet. These are great for containing those spills and other road salt, things like that, other things that get in there. Cheerios. All right, now we're gonna do the back. All right, so doing the rear side, your main thing is actually to move these seats. So I already did the passenger side, so let's do that. Let's move the seats forward. So the front seat and the front passenger side seat and the driver's side seat, you want to move them forward so it's easier to install these. Maybe this should be common sense, but some people forget that and they're doing all this extra work. So you want to make some space for yourself, right? Okay, so we got that up front, and then we have our mat. The other thing is lift these. All right, so take the mat. I took the other one out, the old mats, take them out. I'll put that in the back somewhere. Okay, and now we have the room. I'm gonna take this mat and slowly there we go. Pull that forward. And now you're gonna have this side here to kind of squeeze down. So you want to push this down on one side and then do the same thing on the other side. You can see here it's flush against this area, so you want to push that in on both sides and make it fit. But you can see already has very good coverage, goes right up against the console here. And so again, your last step really is to just push that down on the other side, even it out, and it's going to look good. All right, so that's the back side done completely. One thing, you got the power inverter here on most of the vehicles, so this is kind of hitting there. I could sneak it under, but it doesn't matter. It's going to create a little bit of a lip to protect that, so any liquid doesn't go underneath this. Looks good so far, and you can see here it has this space right there where any liquid could kind of just go off on the sill and outside, so protects it. I wish this did kind of contour a little bit better. As you can see, there's a gap, but I'm assuming those more expensive Contour X or X Contour, whatever it's called, is what they do, are the ones that do that. Maybe we got to just pull this a little bit so it's, yeah, there we go. Okay, that's a little bit better. So you want to kind of align it so that it's as close as possible to this edge here. Looks good here. And then if we put these down, there's that one. And this one. All right. Looks good. So there's that quick install and review of the Husky liners, Weatherbeater. I think they're great, and we're going to see how they hold up, but installation was pretty easy. So thank you for watching.